Hey, Shroom and friends. I'm deep in the woods. I'm on my hands and knees. Yeah, my face is red from the heat. But I'm getting some mushrooms. I'm getting a few mushrooms. They're microclimate-y. And they're bugs. Getting a few bugs. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Grays are nice and tight. Look at this. There's a bug on me. Nice tight little grays make a yummy treat. Yummy treat. Here we go. I don't know how many. A couple dozen. I'm in a patch. I'm in a little mushroom patch. Okay, y'all. Gotta go. Got them shrooms calling me. Got them calling my name. Double skinny dead. What do you see, y'all? What do you see? 1, 2. Look at this guy, he's asleep. 3. Oh, there's a 4th one. And a 5th one. See the 5th guy? First Morels of the season, y'all. Woohoo! It's a beautiful, tight, happening gray. Ding dong. Ding dong. Oh, big boy. I'm stuck on the brambles. Twist it, pick it. Oh, yeah. Let's get up in here. Oh, another one. Look here. Boop. Ka-ching. Oh, there's another one over here. Mama. More. We're going to take a walk around this puppy. There's probably even more. Just that little skinny dude. Woohoo. Bazinga! In the sun. These are tight and beautiful. Little bitty grays, but they are tight and delicious. Tight and amazing. Woohoo! So this double skinny freshly dead, just peeling, gave me like 8 mushrooms. Real nice. Thank you, brother. I'm still looking around you. You never know. There's more elms up in here. Super smalls. Leave some of those to grow. I like a tasty baby gray. There's more this way. Kiwis in my pocket, kiwis in my eggs. Oh yeah, there's a bunch of dead elms right here. I'm crawling on my hands and knees now for these little guys. Kiwi's Playhouse. Yeah, Kiwi's Playhouse. We had joy, we had fun, we had kiwis in the sun. Yummy. There's another one over there. Oh, you like that sunshine? This is so thick in here. Oh, what am I doing? Oh, look at this guy. Beauty. Ouch. Yeah. Little babies. Little babies. Everywhere up in here. So what's cool is, as I creep around to the south face of this double dead elm, they're getting bigger. They're getting nice. There's one over there. Can you see it? I saw another one and I lost it, so it's actually 4 up in here. I gotta get over some brambles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice sized ones. Picklebly delicious. Picklebly scrumptious. Go up with my eggs. Whew! It's getting hot today. Gotta pick some. Gotta pick some. This guy's a big boy. Big gray. Big baby gray. There's one. Oh, we're picking and grinning. Microclimates, baby. Yeah. These brambles are thick. There's one in here. He's not gonna escape my clutches. There you are. Grab him. Another one. Oh boy. Another one here. See him? Get him. Get them while they're hot. Ooh. I'm literally on my hands and knees up in here. Oh. Oh. Yikes. Little round one. A triple. One way down there. Oh. There they are. I gotta go get that other one. Oh, this is fun, but hard on the knees and the back. You young folks. You like to crawl? You like to crawl? You get your shroom. You can get a few of them. I'll put one there. Now I gotta crawl here because there's 2 more here. And round type. Oh. There's one. Pluck. Cluster pluck. Yeah. It's a cluster pluck for sure. There. There. The BBs. We in them. We in a patch. I'm on my hands and knees in the woods, y'all. You want it. You know you do. Sun's out. Beautiful warm day. Microclimate-y. Popping, popping, popping like popcorn. Yeah. Take that. Take that. Take a little one. Take a smaller one. Take this one. Pee-wee, oh plenty. Hoo-hoo-hoo. I love me some shrooms. Shroomylicious. We've only been out here a little bit. We're in a nice patch, but there's probably plenty more out here. I don't know how much I want to be walking while they're small. I'll take enough for a meal. Yum. Got a little baby cluster pluck. 1, 2, 3. Ding dong. So there's 2 big dead elm, and then there's all this like privity, scrub, honeysuckle, lots of dead roots for our little buddies to enjoy. Shroomy time. Hee-haw. Gosh, they're everywhere up in these thickets. It's dense. It's dense in here. Tea for two. Another little guy. One I already picked. Here's a verpa. Well, there's actually another verpa here. It's dried out. Trying to tell if they're... it's hard to tell if they're wrinkle capped or not, but you can see the fuzzy stuff inside. Verpa bohemica is the one that's shrivelly, and Verpa 𝐷𝐄𝐋 is the one that's smooth. These are a little past their prime. Some people eat those. Most people know them as false morels and don't eat them. But with proper cooking, I think some people do. I don't. Plus, these are old and nasty. So who wants that? First of the season granny, y'all. Grannies are bent over morels just like me with my bad back. And there's another one. And I saw another one. This is a good patch. Granny. Wind's picking up, y'all. It's going to rain for a couple of days and storm. That's why I'm out here picking a few. Especially the ones that are close to the trails that people will get over the weekend when I'm down south. Gotta use your smarts about it. I let the littles grow. You know, if they're far in there and no one's gonna see them, I cover them with a little bit of leaves, let them get bigger. But there's nothing like that first batch of tight little grays. Anywhere from 2 to like 4 inches. Delicious. I may add on to this a short that I published Friday. Morels and cognac cream flambé. It's just 60 seconds. It'll be near the end of this. It's yummy. You know you want it. You know you do. Delicious water. Always stay hydrated. So here's a secret for y'all. You probably figured this out by now. You know, there's a lot of hiking trails in state parks. But if you can find yourself a cleared fire barrier trail, a ski trail, a horse trail, things that hikers usually don't go on, and then go off of that trail when you see good trees, you'll find more morels because a lot of the public lands are heavily hunted. Now I'm hunting a public land, and you know, people will be hunting it completely, but they just don't know the morels are up this early. And you know, that takes a little brainiac thought process there. Okay, so tip. Not a big boy. Oh, looky-loo. Let's see if we got some bigger ones. Oh yeah. We got some more. Some more. Some more. Oh! 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 Right on the trail, we gotta take them. We got another cluster. Cluster plucking. There's 4, 5. So little. Right on the trail. They gotta go. They gotta go. Gotta go. Sorry. 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 Gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go, little babies. Into my stomach. Into my stomach. There's a crazy amount in here. Oh. They're coming up everywhere. Jeez. Ooh. Granny. Granny. I think there's a slug off. They're just everywhere. They're just everywhere in here. Oh. Everywhere I'm looking, there's like little mushrooms. Little mushrooms. Little mushrooms. Oh boy. Everywhere. boy here. Oh. 104 little shrooms, couple pounds. Not bad for the beginning of the season. First time hitting it in Wisconsin. Shroomylicious. Shroomtastic, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get ready for a flavor explosion. Give those Molly Moochers the shit. Shake them up in some seasoned flour.
Get a flame up their Merkle butts.
And a drop of slickin' sizzle. Melt a dab of heart attack juice. Make those dry land fish slip and slide. Land belly suntan. Get those cone-headed brains sloppy first date drunk. Woo! My eyebrows are gone.
Incoming!
Ooh. Hot damn. Free chicken delight.
Thanks so much for watching today. If you had some fun, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'd appreciate it.